What's your goal?
Save it.
Oh, 15, 16, 17. Bobby, dogging it, okay? I'll do 20. Well, I'll have to stop and show, but I'm going to show you what to do. Sideways for me, wide hands, wide feet. Lorraine's going to do a slight variation. I'm going to show you what it is. Under the fence, you guys ready? Follow my speed here at the beginning. 5, 4, 3, 2. Under the fence, back under the fence. Under the fence, back under the fence. Under the fence, look around, back under the fence. Now watch Lorraine. She's going under the fence, and she's just rising up with her butt. So she's doing one direction only, but look how low and pretty that is. Low. So you want to go watch. Nose, chest, hips. Nose, chest, hips. Bobby, good. Nose, chest, hips, hips, chest, nose. Same thing with Scotty Spiker. Good. Look how low. Whatever you got, Scott. 15. How many gonna do? 20 now. See, you can set a goal like that. It's a beautiful thing. Bobby's going, oh man, pushing me. That's the beautiful thing about peanut butter. Working with a partner is so much more fun. You set a goal, your friend sets more, you go, I want more too. Worksheets, look right there, down.